Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FCEL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're new to charts and not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Tuesday, so that is where the green line here is coming from, which represents 73 cents, and that's also the first key talking point here. And this is all just revolving around a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So 73 cents now going to be that near-term level of resistance, where if there is any sort of attempted bounce back to the upside, 73 cents will be that first key hurdle that needs to be cleared. If the price can get above 73, then at that point is where you would want to immediately turn your attention to that purple line there, which is the 50-period moving average, currently valued at 75 cents. But as of right now, you don't want to get too far ahead of yourselves and focusing on levels that don't really matter. And yeah, right now that 50-period moving average doesn't matter much because first the price, like I said, just has to get up above the 73 cent mark. Now, as far as levels of support are concerned, going to have to squeeze down the chart here a little bit. First key level to watch going forward now definitely becomes a very important level, and this is a very famous level within the world of charts, and that is the 200-period moving average on my chart, denoted there by that pink line. And right now that is valued at 70 cents. So definitely going forward, 70 cents, very, very important level of support to watch. If the price cannot hold above 70, then at that point, while there is no such thing as a guarantee, it would not be shocking at all to see the price then potentially drift down to 68 cents, if not even a little bit lower than that, potentially even 65 cents. But I don't want to get too far ahead of myself because as of right now, the price hasn't even tested that 200-period moving average. But like I said, in the event the price does test it and it cannot hold above it, then the next couple levels would be at 68 cents and then 65. But I think 65 is a little bit too far ahead of ourselves, so I'm not going to actually throw up the annotation at that area. But overall, yeah, not the greatest day today. And going into Friday, remember the markets are closed on Thursday for Thanksgiving, so happy Thanksgiving. But going into Friday, a lot of eyeballs going to be watching that 200-period moving average and seeing if the price can stay above it or not. So let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.